What's up, everybody? Jesse from Real Estate Connect back with another video. In this video, I just wanted to talk about the problem that I see with Facebook marketing agencies that run ads for realtors, and one of the big pain points that I see for single agents versus teams. So let me just get into that right now. I used to run a marketing agency called Real Estate Connect, and I still do for some clients for single agents. But right now, the only clients I really have long term has been teams. And one of the big issues that I've seen for single agents is the marketing budgets that they need to hire these agencies is just too much to bear in the long term until they get an ROI out of it, right? So one of the big hurdles with that is the expenses, right? So I did things like created courses for single agents that wanted to run ads on their own, learn how to do this. And what I found was that when people would try to do courses, a lot of these people would kind of lose interest out of maybe the 100 people that I've sold a course to. Probably like 5 people actually went through the entire course and actually started running ads, which is pretty ridiculous. Like the amount of people that kind of just bought the course and then didn't really utilize it. So what I was always looking for was another solution in between that, where I'm not necessarily managing the client's ads where I need to be paid a large amount of money every single month in order for people to tap into stuff like this, but they don't necessarily need to learn a whole bunch of stuff. So that's where I actually found this solution where I'm able to integrate launching pre-built Facebook ads with templates already inside this system at a much, much more affordable price that is way less complicated than learning a course and trying to learn all this on your own. You can literally launch ads within 3 clicks within this platform. You literally just start off on this side right here where it says launch Facebook ads, and you click on that, and it brings you to this area where you can connect your Facebook page, your Facebook ad account. It all guides you through that, and then you're able to click on launch new campaign, click on the real estate category. I'm not going to do that just because it has all my secret templates in there and things that you would be using, but basically I'll just go into this mortgage one just to give you an example of what it would look like. It has all the ad copy. It has the images already built into it. You can switch out the images yourself just within a click. I'll show you how to do that. So you can just click on one of these. And then it just brings you to the daily budget for a single agent. I recommend $10 a day. You could work with a mortgage professional and split the costs, or you could do all the ad spend yourself and find a lender that's willing to call all the leads and follow up with them. So that's what I personally do, just so I can leverage my time and have them follow up with the leads a little bit more than I do. Sometimes I do step in and follow up with them a little bit if they're not available. But whatever agreement you come to with your business partners, you can do that, and you can either split the cost or use them as somebody that can follow up with them with the leads that you're generating. And then you just put your website in. You click over here for optional info just to put in your location. So you just expand to like what area you want to target. So it could just be like a specific address. You put that in there, and then you're really good to go from there. You don't really need to change anything else. And you could just click on launch campaign. So you saw how fast I did that, and that could launch a campaign within like less than 2 minutes. And then you can start generating inbound leads that are connected to text message and email campaigns that are proven to work for the pre-built templates that I have in here. And it's just a game changer. Like the fact that you can launch things that quickly compared to the courses that I've sold in the past, and hiring an agency that's going to be $1,500 plus a month in order to do the same kind of stuff, where you could really self-manage this kind of stuff very easily. It just makes a big difference in how long you're going to be able to market for yourself. And that's really the biggest issue for single agents, is that if they pay a marketing agency $1,500 a month, on average, they're dropping off in 2 to 3 months, and they just haven't been marketing long enough using paid ads to be effective in that strategy. Frankly, people need to do it for anywhere from 9 months to a year in order to get the best results in like the shortest period of time. And that is just a eye-opener for a lot of people when they hear that, but they don't want to hear that when they're about to hire an agency for $1,500 plus a month, especially if they're a single agent. Most of my long-term clients that I've done those types of services for and still do are small to medium-sized teams that have bigger budgets and can afford that kind of monthly expense in order to get an ROI for their team. So that's just something I wanted to mention. If you're interested in this at all, I'll have a link to check out some more information on this, and you can check out the pricing. It's very, very affordable, and this is just going to be a game changer for people that are looking to expand their lead generation options and start generating some inbound leads, getting some survey data. So I'll show you an example of that actually really quick, where this is the type of data that we're getting like 25% of the time, and even sometimes we're asking all these questions right up front, and this is something that I suggest testing with some people. And yeah, it's just been really, really great. We're able to, add another pillar of lead generation for people at a very, very affordable price, where you can manage things very easily and track everything that's going on with the leads that are coming in. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. If you're on any other social media platform and you're interested in this, just let me know in the comments, and I'll be able to shoot over some information to you. See you guys in the next video.